No matter how clean a site and how well trained its staff, the paths of mobile robots sometimes become blocked. Path-following AGVs manage blockages by stopping and sending an alarm to an operator, while AMRs avoid obstacles dynamically, taking any route possible. The first approach can lead to transport delays, the second, traffic deadlocks. SmartPass by BlueBotics bridges the gap between the two, enabling efficient mobile robot operation without the drawbacks of traditional systems. Unlike AMRs, SmartPass virtually eliminates the chance of traffic deadlocks. Rather than laying basic traffic management on top of existing obstacle avoidance, like normal AMRs, SmartPass does the opposite, adding smart configurable obstacle avoidance to Ant Navigation's default virtual path follower mode. This means the powerful traffic management of our Ant server fleet manager is also applied to SmartPass avoidance maneuvers. For example, SmartPass vehicles only avoid obstacles when there is zero risk of blocking another robot. And SmartPass only lets vehicles move around objects, never around other vehicles, eliminating a further cause of traffic jams. Vehicles using SmartPass take the shortest route around an obstacle before returning immediately to their virtual paths. There's no roaming randomly around, so their movements are easy for staff to predict. They're quick too. Since SmartPass-enabled vehicles don't need to continually calculate where to go, they move faster than traditional AMRs. Vehicle actions, like moving forks and communicating with nearby equipment, take place during SmartPass avoidance maneuvers, which saves yet more time. And to guarantee precision, SmartPass maneuvers are blocked near pick-drop points. Now that's smart. Lastly, with SmartPass, you can configure the behavior of your mobile robots to suit any specific site and operation. You're in control. You can define, for example, how far a vehicle is allowed to deviate from its original path, the areas and even routes on site where SmartPass shouldn't be used. And you can set detailed vehicle-specific parameters like the exact distance to stop before an obstacle. Efficient, deadlock-free, and fully configurable. SmartPass by BlueBotics bridges the gap between AGVs and AMRs. Book your demo today.